case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1986, the Timmer v. Gray case in the Minnesota Court of Appeals centered on the concept of unjust enrichment regarding the ownership of two farming discs. Martin and Lilia Timmer had unknowingly purchased the discs, which had been repaired by Jed Maggert for $857 from Farmers Home Administration, FmHA. Maggert had not received compensation for his repair work from William Gray, the neighboring farmer who had arranged for the repairs. The trial court ruled that, while the Timmers were granted possession of the discs, an equitable lien in favor of Maggert was necessary to prevent unjust enrichment on their part. The court's decision was based on the premise that allowing the Timmers to keep the improved property without compensating Maggert would be unfair, as they had paid only $75 for what they thought were discs in disrepair. The equitable lien applied during FmHA's possession and was enforceable against subsequent purchasers, except for bona fide purchasers without lien notice. The Timmers appealed this ruling, but the court affirmed the order granting Maggert an equitable lien on the discs, ensuring that Maggert would be rightfully compensated for his work.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.